Riu arimi a macani bururi-ini mari na mwihoko wa kugacirithio kwa motungata nao ni thutha wa arugamiriri a ITHII nini cia macani kugia na giikaro na ruhonge rwa kuramata wendia wa macani bururi-ini niguo kuiguithaniria uria mangigacirithia motungata matekuhinyiriria arimi. Hari maundu maria maiguithaniirio ni kunyihio kwa mbeca iria arimi marengagwo cia kuhotithia ukinyaniria wa mihango ruhonge-ini rwa KTDA ikinya riria riguteithiriria arimi kuhonokia makiria ya shiringi milioni 800.
We intend to save a significant quantum of money from the management fee, which is 2.5%, and it will be reduced to 1.5%. We will be able to save around 880 million per year to the farmers.
And I'm grateful now that I can be able to promise the farmer that there is hope at the end of the tunnel. Previously, the farmer was not fully engaged in these negotiations, and that is why we came up the issue of reforms, so that the farmer can be fully involved and engaged in whatever deliberations that are going to take place between the factories and the management agent.
Akiaria hindi ya icera ITHII-ini itiganite cia macani mwena wa Ruiru, muikariri giti wa ruhonge rwa KTDA David Choho augite ni mambiriirie mubango wa guthurima mirutire ya wira ya arugamiriri honge-ini itiganite.
We have been able to go to various factories, and especially west of Rift, which have about 4 factories. They have already signed their management agreement fully 100%, and on the other side of east of Rift we have about that 7 factories, among which today we will be able to clock 22 factories.
Very big achievement to the farmer, and I know going forward with that new management team management agreement, we shall be able to forge a good way forward, and we shall be able to sustain the industry.
Ihinda-ini riu ihinda ria utungata ria urugamiriri wa maafitha ngurani ruhonge-ini rwa KTDA ni rikunyihio kuma miaka 10 nginyagia miaka 5 niguo kuhotithia uigiririki. Icoho augite arimi a macani muthemba wa orthodox onao ni megukorwo makiugunika muno thutha wa thirikari kugathika macini cia guthia macani maya ITHII-ini 13.
And orthodox has been fetching a lot of good money in the market. I was looking at the report for this month, and Matunwa, which is producing only orthodox, is ranked number 1 in terms of pricing. I've also checked in terms of the various factories which are producing orthodox tea, and their surplus, the amount of money which is regarded as surplus, which will be used to be in the payment of bonus later part of the year, they are about 5 shillings ahead of others.
Thirikari ni eigithitie shiringi milioni 800 cia kugacirithia urimi wa macani maya na matanya ma kuongerera magetha kuma kilo 500,000 kinya kilo milioni 2 o mwaka. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Titagugena wa Waduro.